What's up, guys? Today you're going to see me make mistakes. I am a first-year beekeeper, and I am going to be trying to render beeswax. So watch me make the mistakes so you don't have to. So I did have wax. I'm going to show you how much wax I collected, but that was a lot of effort. But you can see in here, any yellow bits, ignore the little floaties. All right, here we are checking in on about an hour. It's loosened up quite a bit. There's still some chunks here of yellow, so it's not fully melted yet. You can see right there, there's yellow in there. There's yellow in there. That is wax that solidified upon hitting the cold pan. So my thought is, while it's still warm,